Imagine if you have a dream to open your company or your workshop, and people who you love most comes to you and say, you can't do it. Sometimes they may say it's impossible. And perhaps you approach to other people, let me say friends, neighbors, and also they say, well, you want to do mechanic, why you want to follow this? Are you not old enough to follow mechanic? Do you have a good match, skills to follow mechanic, to make it happen? You want to spend your entire life with oil in your hands? My name is Arlene Zwanki Matsinye. I am staying in Mozambique, exactly in Maputo. Answer just some questions which I made before. Let me say no, I am not old enough. In fact, this is the right time to make it happen. This is the right moment for I show how can someone from nothing become something. Yes, I have good match skills, physical skills to make it. And if spending my entire life with oil, it can take me forward, can move me to achieve my plans, my targets. Yes, for me is better. I want to spend my entire life with oil in my hands. My motivation actually, let me say, come from God. I'm still a learner, a student. In my case, I got this opportunity to improve myself in mechanics areas. So even though they don't pay me anything about money, I'm speaking about cash, but as inside of me, I have that dream to make my workshop, to open my company. I accept because through this, I receive experience and knowledge to give my the best wherever I go. We know there is many young people outside who also desire, who also dreams, but they don't have any motivation. They maybe think things are so tough, things are so difficult, and they receive most of the time is a wrong advices. People, they come to say, you can't do it, you can't make it, because people, they have that. When they can't do something, they think everyone can do. When they tried and perhaps they didn't achieve it, they also think everyone who can try, he will also defeated, you also not drink there. So in my case, I am sure if you believe in yourself, wherever you go, you will succeed. And pay attention, do not look at the time. Sometimes you look at the time and you say, now I'm aging, I'm old enough, how can I make it? Maybe I won't be accepted in the society. But you can do it. As long as you believe in yourself and you try and you move and you make it, because the great secret, first of all, is to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one will believe in you. I learned mechanic when I did my course in IFPELAC in 2019. After that, when I finished my course, I started to look for an opportunity to improve my experience and my knowledge. And I got that place which in full time, we are going to show you the image and you will see what I'm doing there. Life itself, it's a challenge. In mechanic, I love it more because each and every day I learn new things. When you think that now I'm done in mechanic, you may be wrong, because next day you will find something different that you never had, you never saw. is where you learn more and more. Each and every day is a day to you learn more. That's why I used to say mechanic is a challenge. Challenge us to bring more mature in you, us to bring more responsibility. Challenges us to move you as long as you look by that way. Because if you look at challenges like difficult, you see, like just adversity, you will give up from your dream. Because whatever you want to do to make you appeal, to make you as a focus, a spotlight, is a challenge. In Ifpelak is where we're born a new Arlindo. Because there I learned to exercise my mentality. In PTS, I learned actually to manage my emotions. I learned how to deal with everyone. I learned how to deal with my leaders. Let me say I'm working in a company. I learned how to deal with my boss. I learned how to deal with my colleagues, and even with those who are under my position. Is very important. From PTS, I learned how to position myself, when to say, how to say, and where to say, because it's not in every way you must say things. Sometimes you must just hear. Even though things are difficult, let me recognize that, because we can't say things are easy. In the world, outside professional world, in the market, things are not easy. But even though I achieved my dreams, which one is my dreams? I didn't look at what is happening aside. I didn't look or expecting the president or the government to bring opportunities for me, opportunities for job. But I made it. I did the course of mechanic. I started it and I end it, though wasn't easy, but as I had my feet in the ground, that was my own decision, because it's important you give value your own decisions. That was my decision. I made it with a lot of difficulties aside. I faced a lot of things, but I did it. I make it, and I want to say for everyone who want to become a great professional, that you must have your feet in the ground. You mustn't expect people help you. All right, if people comes to help you, yes, it's fine. But if no one helps you, you must move. You must try your best, and you're the best, and you will get it as I got.